Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. Delivers the power demanded by the user with a high-performance motor and 2-speed gearbox. Easily transition from drill to hammer mode for concrete, brick, and block applications. Hammer mechanism powers through material at 27,200 beats per minute. Half-inch metal ratcheting chuck minimizes bit slippage, and a 22-position clutch provides control during various fastening applications. LED work light brightens dark work areas. Additional features include battery fuel gauge, belt clip, and 2 magnetic bit clip holders. New 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour batteries delivers up to 33% more runtime. 20-volt max system also offers 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max hammer drill provides the power, durability, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. The Porter Cable 20-volt max system delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.